Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke, wonderful souls of the universe. You are blessed and empowered to achieve greatness. With your brilliant mind and 5 capable fingers, you are here to support humanity. Know that you are safe and secure through the wind, water and sand. Our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of all humans and languages, uses to sustain all humans and monitors all the activities on Earth, and in the spiritual realms, to avoid blacklist after death. Let your mind be free as you go about your daily activities. Place food on your table, and be careful while dealing with your fellow human beings to avoid hurting anyone. Take what is yours and let others have what belongs to them. Peace brings unity, and unity brings progress. Today is Eek Market Day in Igbo land. Be fruitful in your businesses and workplaces. May humans patronize your business and assist you to achieve greatness in your working areas. Ise, meaning so shall it be. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe. From Onye Ndu, Ikuku Achineke, the messenger of the truth afterlife. Stay blessed, stay empowered.